Hi everyone! Today, we're going to walk through how to manage search results in Kalium. First, let's start by searching. Go ahead and type something in the search bar at the header. Now, these are the search results. To modify them, click Customize in the WordPress admin bar. Now that we're in the customizer, scroll down to Post Types and click on Search Results. Here, you'll find options like the featured image. If you turn it off, it will hide the image from the search results, while if you turn it on, it will show the image. Click the featured image section to see more options for the image. There are several options here. You can set the image size to any of the preset sizes, or you can even set a custom size. You also have the aspect ratio option. You can choose from different image aspect ratios. Let's go ahead and set it to wide. Now, under the Style tab, we have additional options for styling the search results. You can set a different width for the image container. Let's set it to 300. Then, you can set a custom border radius. In this case, we've set it to 20 pixels on all sides. Now that we've previewed how to manage the featured image in the search results, we can roll back to the default settings. Another option is Exclude Post Types. You can check what you want to exclude here. As you can see on the right side, you'll notice these post types are being excluded. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Kalium.